Hello! My name is Teacher Maria.
And I am Teacher Love.
And we are your teachers for today.
Are you excited, teacher?
I'm so excited.
Yes!
Let's get started! Hello! Good morning! Do you want to go to the farm? Let's go to the farm! But before that, we will sing a song first. There was a farmer, had a dog, and Bingo was his name. Oh, B-I-N-G-O, 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 and Bingo was his name. Oh, okay. Yes, we're going to the farm. Okay, but what can we see in the farm? Okay, in the farm, we can see farm animals. You heard it right. It's a farm animals. Okay, what are the animals that we can find in the farm? Okay, those animals that we can find in the farm are called farm animals. Again, farm animals. Okay, what are those animals? Okay, first I have here duck. Okay, it's a duck. Can you find a duck in the farm? Can you see a duck there? Yes, because we can find a duck in a farm. Because duck is a farm animals. Animal. Okay, next we have another farm animal. It's a sheep. Sheep. Baba, black sheep, have you any wool? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. 3 bags full. Okay, sheep. Why? Because we can find this sheep in the animals because we can take care of these animals in the farm. Next we have it's a what is this? It's a horse, everybody. Again, horse. Say it loud, horse. Very good. Okay, we can find a horse in a farm because a horse belongs to a farm animal. Horse, horse, horse. Okay, next, what are the other animals we can see inside a farm? Okay, we have here, it's a goat. Okay, can we find goat? Am I correct? Yes! Very good. A goat, we can find this in a farm because a goat is a farm animals. Next, we have we have a cow. We can find this cow in a farm. Do you know? And the cow give us milk. That is why we can see this one in a farm because these animals, we can get something from this. We can take care of this. Okay. Cow, goat, duck, horse, sheep. We can take care of these animals inside the farm. That is why we call these animals as farm animals. Again, farm animals. Okay, can you give me one farm animal? Very good. It's a sheep. Another one. Good. Got it. It's a duck. Another one. Horse, goat, and a cow. Those are examples of farm animals. Okay, so this morning we have learned something and we have learned a lot. That's it for today and we will see you again next time. Bye-bye, kids!